been a long time since I've been here. This is the Courtyard Marriott, Sacramento. UC Davis Medical Center. I think these might be ThyssenDovers. I don't remember that. Yep, these are ThyssenDovers. Wow, he's got very beat up. Not enough power going to that charge. Very interesting ceiling, I must say.